Hello and welcome back to an expat in Istanbul. Before we start today, we want to thank you, in fact, for subscribing, for following, for liking and for your comments. Don't forget, keep at it. All our details are below. Subscribe to YouTube, follow us on Instagram and visit our website where there's a lot more. So today's subject, it's law. It's lawyers, which might not sound very exciting and not very interesting, but we would rather that you had a little bit of information to make your life maybe a little bit easier at times. Now, most people think about the law and corporational law in the sense that, you know, if I have a problem at work where I'm not getting my salary on time or I don't get my bonus, you know, that I'm covered, which we probably are. But you might be forgetting other areas in life where you're going to need some form of advice or in fact a lawyer to settle a dispute before it goes to court, which no one really wants to do. The courts in Turkey, by the way, if you do decide to go to court, are notoriously slow. And I know of some cases that have been going on for 3 or 4 years. So the best thing to do is to get legal advice and deal with things before they even get to the court. Now, what sort of things? Well, it could be anything. Some people are worried about, you know, whether their children's safety is compromised. Some people buy something where it doesn't come as described, and there's lots of laws protecting you about this. Some people are offered contracts which are then reneged upon. It may be that you feel that you've booked a holiday and you go and your reservation's not there, but you've paid. So the amount of times that you may actually consult with a lawyer is more than you'll probably know. In fact, there's even laws, you know, where if you film someone with your phone and you think nothing of it and you put it on YouTube, bang, you've got someone suing you. So what I'm trying to say to you is, before it gets there, send us an email, get in contact, tell us what your problems are, and what we'll do is find the best person, depending on what your inquiry is, to help you and guide you and settle things before they get any worse. We hope you don't need this advice, but if you do, there you go. We've tried to cover it best we can. Thanks for listening.